In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shippo with Shopify. If you're looking to streamline your shipping process, then integrating Shippo with your Shopify store is a fantastic step in the right direction. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped to effortlessly manage your shipments, saving time and potentially reducing costs. To begin, we'll need to install the Shippo app from the Shopify App Store. This app is your gateway to a more efficient shipping experience. So go ahead and open up your browser and navigate to the Shopify App Store. Once you're on the App Store's homepage, use the search bar at the top to find Shippo. Simply type in Shippo and hit Enter. Now, you should see the Shippo app in your search results. Click on the Shippo app link, which will take you to its app page where you'll find detailed information about the app, including its features, benefits, and user reviews. Take a moment to glance through these details so you know exactly what the app can offer your business. Then, when you're ready to proceed, locate the Add App button. It should be prominently displayed on the page. With a simple click on this button, you'll start the process of adding Shippo to your Shopify store. After clicking Add App, you'll be prompted to log into your Shopify account if you aren't already. Enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll be taken to a permissions page. This page is important because it outlines the areas of your store that the Shippo app will access. Be sure to review these permissions carefully. Ensuring that you're comfortable with what the app will do is crucial for maintaining trust and security in your business operations. If you're satisfied with these permissions, you'll see an Install App button on this page. Click this button to complete the installation process. Once Shippo is installed, you'll be guided through a quick setup to connect your store with the shipping platform. By following the prompts, you can customize the settings according to your specific needs. Remember, Shippo offers a range of options that can simplify your shipping process, such as discounted shipping rates, label printing, and tracking capabilities. Explore these options to tailor the service to your particular workflow. By integrating Shippo with your Shopify store, you're setting yourself up for a more efficient order fulfillment process. This integration will not only help you manage shipments better, but will also enhance your customers' experience by providing them with more reliable shipping solutions. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Shippo with Shopify, paving the way toward more streamlined and effective shipping management for your online store. Feel free to refer back to this video anytime you need a refresher on the process. Thanks for watching, and happy shipping!